feel so queenly right now. Guys, we're finally here! Oh my God! Woo!
Just hold my hand na lang. Oh, let's go. Okay, come on, let's go.
Wow, that's nice. I'm so scared. Ah, my hands are wet. Ako na. Overwhelmed ako kanina. Oh my God. Manju! So this is Hanel Pongpyeong. The fifth flavor is umami. The sixth flavor is love. Oh, ito na tayo. We're here. Okay. Go around and look for things that we like and we buy them. All right, I'll follow your lead. Okay. This is the biggest keychain I've ever seen.
It's actually popular here.
Can you imagine like me going like, okay, time to go home now, and then bring this up. Be like,
Love Korea!
okay, kinakabahan ako. I'm getting nervous. Hope I'm doing this right. Everybody watching, please don't
There's no
bash
wrong
me.
way to do it. Okay, now eat it! Yeah? Naiingit na ako ah.
It's so good. Hindi pa naman madilim, so I think there's still time to take some more pictures. Let's do it.
Love that one.